Folks, what we're doing here is swapping out a compressor. This is an accumulator. See all this oil on it? I discovered a leak in that second pipe right there. See this? The first top pipe right on the back side. But with this company, this compressor rather, they use this kind of compressor. And this is a Westinghouse. Pretty decent unit. Unless you ask somebody that's been indoctrinated into the big name companies, model serial. And they'll, of course, talk bad about it, even in my comments, which it doesn't matter. 28 years in this game, I've got some pretty thick skin. It looks like we're going to have to be cutting it here and here. So I'm going to take the torch, heat it up, pull this off of it with a pair of channel locks, and go from there. This is the video number 1. There'll probably be 2 videos to this. I'll come back with a replacement video, but this is the removal video. The refrigerant's out of it, of course. You can see all the oil down there. Alrighty, I'll be right back. Unbolt your compressor wire. We'll get that in a minute. Slides right off.